Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and I am here to help fix your English. Today we're going to be looking at two pretty tricky words. Those are hope and wish. Why are they so tricky? Because they talk about future events, but there's a slight difference between when we use them. So today I'm going to explain the differences between them, and there's also going to be a quiz at the end just to test your knowledge. If you're ready, let's begin. Let's start with hope. Hope is used for something that we desire in the future. But the special thing with hope is that it's something that we could actually achieve. It's something that is possible. What does that mean? Well, I have some examples for you. I hope my team wins the game. There's a possibility that your team can win the game. They're very good. I really hope we can see each other again. Again, this isn't someone that is miles away from you, lives in space. This is someone that you can possibly see again. I really hope I pass my test. You've studied. You're going to pass. Hope can also be used with the past tense, the past simple tense. This is used for something that has already happened, but we personally don't know the outcome of it. I really hope you passed your test. This means that the friend has already sat his exam, but you don't know the outcome, and neither does he. I hope I got the job. This means that you had a job interview. You did well, but you don't know the result yet. In both of these cases, hope shows that we want something to happen in the future, but it's something that is possible. Now, wish. If hope is used for possible situations, wish is used for something that is not going to happen. We use it to imagine things or to regret things. Let's look at some examples. One is that we can use wish for unreal situations that we're living in right now. What does that mean? I wish I had a bigger house, but you don't. I wish I didn't have a test tomorrow, but you do. We can also use wish to regret past decisions. This is either something that happened or something that didn't happen. Let's look at some examples. Oh no, I wish I hadn't said that, but you did, and now you regret it. I wish I'd studied harder for the test, but you didn't, and you're probably going to fail. So, in summary, use hope for something that you believe could happen, and use wish for things that are imaginary or that you can regret. Okay, quiz time. I'm going to give you a list of questions. I'm going to give you a little bit of time, and you have to tell me which is the right answer, wish or hope. And then you can tell me in the comments how you did. It doesn't rain tomorrow. I hope it doesn't rain tomorrow. I had a pet tiger. I wish I had a pet tiger. You have a great time on your trip. I hope you have a great time on your trip. I didn't have so much work to do. I wish I didn't have so much work to do. You passed your test. I hope you passed your test. If you've made it this far, well done. I hope, listen to that. I hope that you enjoyed this lesson. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you again soon. Bye!